In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an effect in DaVinci Resolve. First, you will want to select the clip on the timeline. This step is crucial because it ensures that you are working on the correct video segment. As you do this, your selected clip will be highlighted, drawing your attention to it. This visual cue prevents any mistakes, such as removing effects from the wrong clip. Selecting the right clip allows you to focus on just the area you want to modify. You will see the timeline update to reflect your selection. Once you have your clip highlighted, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, click on the inspector located at the top right corner of your screen. This opens up a panel filled with various options and settings related to the selected clip. The inspector is a powerful tool that gives you access to all the parameters of your clip, including effects, transformations, and more. Opening the inspector reveals a detailed view of what you can adjust. This is where you will manage the effects applied to your clip. So taking the time to open the inspector is essential for making precise adjustments. From there, you need to open the Effects or Open FX section within the inspector. This section lists all the effects currently applied to your clip. You will notice that effects are organized in a clear and accessible way. Understanding this layout is key because it helps you identify which effects you want to modify or remove. The Effects section allows you to see a comprehensive list of changes made, making it easier to manage your clip. This organization saves you time as you will not have to search through layers of settings to find what you need. Now, you will click the trash can icon next to the effect you wish to remove completely. This action permanently deletes that effect from your clip. When you click the trash can, you may notice a brief moment where the effect disappears from the list. This visual confirmation is reassuring, as it shows you that the effect has been successfully removed. Removing unnecessary effects can help streamline your project and improve playback performance. Alternatively, if you want to temporarily turn off the effect instead of deleting it, you can click the Bypass or Disable button. This button usually appears as a small icon next to the effect. By clicking it, you will deactivate the effect without removing it completely. This is particularly useful if you want to test how your clip looks without that effect applied. You will see the effect grayed out or marked differently, indicating that it has been disabled. This little step is handy for comparing different looks without the need to reapply the effect later. At this point, you have successfully removed or disabled the effect from your clip. Remember that each action in DaVinci Resolve is reversible, so if you change your mind, you can always reapply an effect. This flexibility is one of the strengths of working in the software. You can experiment freely without the fear of permanently altering your work. Now you know how to manage effects in DaVinci Resolve. Whether you choose to delete or disable them, you have the tools you need to customize your clips effectively. This skill enhances your editing capabilities, allowing for a more polished final product. Thank you for following along and happy editing.